Hi, Leul. It's time for another book. This one's Airplanes. Airplanes. I love airplanes. I want to fly one someday. I like to build airplanes. I put them in my room. I like to read about airplanes. I have a lot of books. I like to draw airplanes. I hang up my pictures. I like to look at airplanes. I have a lot of posters. I can even make paper airplanes. They really fly. I show my class. Everyone makes an airplane. Miss Locke says we can study airplanes. She says I can help teach. Okay, here's some questions. Where do the toy airplanes get put once they are built? What do you think will happen when the class studies airplanes? Okay, Leul. Hope you enjoyed this book. More books are coming.